This is Matt Parr, a 22-year-old guy who is generating thousands of dollars from YouTube. I mean, at his age, most youngsters are busy scrolling on social media and playing video games, but he is running 9 different YouTube channels, and he makes an average of $30,000 a month from ad revenue alone. Things were not the same before. He was a broke high school student who had no idea what he wanted to do with his life, and now he is generating around $3 million at this age. So what is the business model he is using? He is doing a YouTube automation business and running his faceless channels without showing his face in them. Now, you can estimate the power of faceless channels. It does not matter if you are a noob in this field. Nobody is an expert from day one in his life. Now, I am going to create a completely faceless channel in front of you, and if you are a beginner, then this step-by-step tutorial will help you to create your YouTube channel in a very easy and simple way. So let's start the process. Now, I will create a scary stories channel, but why did I choose this niche? This niche has great suspenseful content, and this is the thing we need. Scary stories generate suspense in your audience, and this is a great sign to increase your watch time. And you know, when a video gains a good watch time, YouTube's algorithm automatically starts promoting your video. More impression means more views, and more views mean more earnings. First of all, let's review some other channels that are working in this niche. This channel is going viral in this niche. Look at his latest video. There have been 500,000 plus views in the last 5 days. And that is an amazing growth. Now let's estimate his earnings for only on this one single video. YouTube gives an average RPM of $3 per 1,000 views. Let's suppose his RPM is $3. Now for 100,000 views, it becomes $300, and on 550,000 views, it becomes $1.7 thousand. This amount he is earning in only 5 days. On Social Blade, he is generating almost $41,000 per month, and his average monthly views are 10 million, which is amazing. And you can see there is no such type of ghost footage in camera, caught evil videos and content. Just some stock videos and dark visuals he is using with a voiceover and a script. Now let's start our complete step-by-step video tutorial. If you want to work in this niche, then don't miss any part of the video. Step number 1 is our script writing part. ChatGPT is best for you if you are a beginner, and if you do not know how to write a script, then this AI tool is blessing for you. You just need to write a prompt here and it will start generating script for you, as many as you want. Try to start your story with a hook point in the beginning. Just copy the entire script from here and save it in the Word file. Now I will generate a voiceover for my video. Go to lovo.ai and create your account here now. Open his tab and then select your voiceover actor. Because my niche is based on scary stories, so I need a deep and slow tone of voice. It is very important to check all these voices before generating a voiceover. Choose a suitable voice according to your story. Just paste your script here and click on the generate icon. Wait for some seconds and your voice will be ready, but before exporting your voice, preview your generated voiceover and then download it. Next step is video editing. Watch this step very carefully because some people miss the editing part, and as a result, they face copyright or reuse content issues. Open any editor. I am using Filmora 12, and now paste all the data related to the video. I need some videos and images now, so open any stock website and download some stock videos from there, like some creepy places, roads, dark forests, and graveyards. First of all, add an intro text at the start of the video. Click on this title icon, select any template from here. Now drag and drop the title here. Double-click on it and write here Story 1. Create a copy of this title and paste it on the upper layer. Double-click on it and adjust his position. Looks good here. Type here the name of writer, for example, Dave Richard. Now reduce its size and you can change the font also. Now upload the videos in your video editing software. Drag and drop your voiceover first and then stock videos. Double-click on the video and edit its brightness and colors. Reduce the brightness and add some filters if you want. After editing the colors, it's time to add some keyframes to your video. Keyframes will help you to give zoom in or zoom out effects in the video. Click on the video and then move the bar at the start. Now press this icon and add a keyframe here. Move this bar at the end of the video and now increase its scale to give a zoom in effect. Copy this method and apply it to your all video clips. And remember to start a new keyframe where you preview video scale is ended. Add transitions between two clips and repeat this process on all your stock video clips. After completing your editing, export the video in high quality. Next, I will create a thumbnail for my scary video. Keep in mind, 4 things are very important in a faceless channel. Number 1 is your script. Then your audio, then your editing, and in the last, your thumbnail. Open canva.com. Here we will create our thumbnail. I need a background image now, and I am not taking the background image for Google. Open Leonardo, and then click on Image Generator. Right here, any prompt related to your story. For example, I'm writing this prompt related to a terrifying hotel corridor. Press enter and see what will happen. This is absolutely an amazing background picture. I am downloading this from here. Now, move back to Canva and upload your picture here. Adjust its size first. Add some text here because I am making a thumbnail for a scary video. I chose some creepy looking font. Click on this and then search here blood and creepy. See, here's a font and I think it will look great on the thumbnail. Type here some words like this. Adjust the text size and color. The red color will give more horror vibes, so I am selecting a red color. Now click on effects and apply some shadow effects on the text. I think this effect is good. Adjust its color and saturation if there is a need. Let's create some more suspense in the thumbnail. Click on the elements and add an arrow here. Adjust its size and position, and keep the arrow in the right way. Click again on this element icon and search here blur this blur element and adjust it behind the text like this. Reduce the transparency of the blue element. That's fantastic, our thumbnail is ready. Just click on this share button and download this thumbnail. The next step is video publishing. Open YouTube Creator Studio and upload your video here. Now let's ask ChatGPT to create 10 titles for YouTube about 3 true horror stories. Here are 10 wonderful titles. Choose one of them. Now right here, generate the short description for a YouTube video about this title. Press enter and see here my video description is ready. Move back to Creator Studio and copy and paste the title and description here. Now I need some keywords right here to generate long and short keywords for YouTube videos. And video is about this title. Press enter and see within 2 seconds my video keywords are here. Copy these keywords and paste them here in the tag section. Choose this option because this video is not for kids. It means kids have a separate YouTube platform that is YouTube Kids. If you select this option, then YouTube will promote your video on YouTube Kids. Select the video language. My video is in English, so I am selecting the English language. This is the final result of my video.
Sarah decided to spend the night in the manor, determined to capture evidence of the paranormal. She set up her equipment in the eerie darkness, surrounded by the oppressive silence. Hours passed, and the temperature dropped dramatically.